now it's the pro's turn. 1, 2, ooh, 5 cents. That's good enough.
Streaker!
I have to be drunk. Okay, now I'm going to attempt 2 tricks. First one, the around the world. Okay. Gotta get on my foot first. Got it. Okay, now the circling bit, the cool bit. Wait. Look. Now the cool bit. But you have to, here, you'll see. Okay. First I'm gonna get the ball on my foot.
Again.
Again. Yeah. Got it. Now, I'm gonna flick it up. Now, I'm gonna flick it up, and it's gonna get caught in this leg like, phew.
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Ready? Now it's the pro's turn. 1, 2. I meant to do that.
He's trying to kill me.
Go get the ball.
He's trying to kill me.
Here comes Mum.
Get out the way, Mum!
Yeah, get out the way, Mum. We're filming.